new parents, welcome back to yet another new concept. Hope you all are safe and good. In our last video, we have discussed everything about baby's constipation, the cause, the signs and also the foods that lead the baby to constipation. And today in this video, I am going to say some home remedies for baby's constipation. First of all, let me say you one thing. In most of the cases, baby's constipation can be cured by simple home remedies. So, before you rush to your doctor, do try some home remedies in your home for your baby, because keeping our baby away from all the medications is always being good. Before that, if you are watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get update whenever I post a new video. Come, let's move on. We can treat our baby's constipation in two categories. The first one is by using foods and the second one is by using physical activities. First, let us discuss about the foods. In this category, the first thing you have to concentrate is fiber-rich foods. If your baby has started solid foods, then you should definitely add fiber-rich contents in your baby's diet. For example, peeled apples, broccoli, beans, whole wheat bread and so on. The second thing you should concentrate is pea fruits. Fruits that starts with letter P, such as papaya, pear, plum, peach and most importantly prunes. Prunes are nothing but dried plums. Prunes has the ability to stimulate the digestive tract, and also prunes juice has more effective laxatives which stimulates the digestion. If your baby is above 1 year old, you can give prune juice directly to your baby. But if your baby is below 1 year old, you should not give the direct prune juice to your baby. For that, I will quickly share the recipe of that. Soak some prunes overnight in some clean water, and in the next morning, boil that prunes with the same water and filter the water and give a spoonful of prune water to your baby. And you can give this water only in daytime. As like prunes, papaya is also rich in fiber and act as natural laxative, which ensure consistent bowel movements to our baby. If your baby is above 1 year, you can give half a spoon of honey mixed with ginger syrup. This can ensure good digestion and relieves your baby from constipation. The next thing is barley water. Barley has numerous health benefits. It contains lot of fiber and healthy amino acids which promotes good digestion. You can soak a cup full of barley in 2 cups of water and let it boil and let it reduce to 1 cup of water and feed that water to your baby. It promotes good digestion for your baby. The next remedy is raisin water. Soak some raisins overnight in some clean water and next day grind that raisin in that same water and filter that water and feed your baby in empty stomach. This can promote good digestion and relieves your baby from constipation. The next most important thing is offering warm water to your baby. As I had explained in my common mistakes video, our baby doesn't need any supplementary water until they reach 6 months, because till that they get their hydration from breast milk and formula milk. But once your baby starts solid food, you should definitely offer some warm water to your baby to bind with those solid foods. Now let us move on to the second category, which is physical activity. Under this category, the first thing comes as exercise. Exercise and movements stimulates baby's bowels. If your baby has not yet started to walk or crawl, then you should definitely help your baby to exercise. For that, you have to lay your baby at their back and gently move baby's leg like cycling. This kind of movements stimulates baby's digestion and helps your baby to relieve from constipation. The second thing is giving warm water bath. Giving warm water bath relaxes baby's abdominal muscles and it helps the baby to stop straining while pooping. And also, warm water bath gives relief in some discomforts caused by constipation. The third one is massaging. There are several types of massages available for baby. I will be making a separate video on it and will upload it soon. For constipation, you have to give the common massage. For that, pour little oil around baby's navel and give a gentle massage in a clockwise direction. This will give relief to your baby's gastric problem and constipation. The last remedy is hing paste massage. Hing promotes good digestion, but offering hing orally to your baby is not at all recommended. For that, you have to make a paste of hing by using water and apply it around baby's navel and gently give a clockwise massage. Make sure the hing paste doesn't enter your baby's navel. Let me say the remedy for babies below 6 months. We can categorize the babies in two forms. The first one is breastfed babies and the second one is formula fed babies. For breastfed babies, we can't do anything other than increasing the frequency and length of feeding. But note one thing, it is simply okay if the breastfed babies doesn't go poop for more than 5 days. Make sure the poop is in correct consistency and texture. If the consistency and texture is normal, then you should not worry about it. For formula fed babies, if you feel the baby is constipated, you should try changing the brands by consulting your pediatrician. And also make sure you are preparing the formula milk properly. I feel this video would be very informative for you. If so, please don't forget to give a huge thumbs up and share to your friends and all the new parents you know. Your hit on the like button will drive me to do more videos. Meet you in next video with next good content. Till that, bye bye.